In today's video, I want to show you this cool hose reel that someone sent to me to review. This is something I've been wanting in my yard for a while. I'm super excited about showing you guys this one. You can see it comes with some pretty simple and easy instructions. Also has the little mounting bracket, which is super nice and easy to use. And then it also has the real hose itself. So all you have to do is get this large piece out. Then you can see down here in the bottom, you have a couple other smaller pieces. It actually comes with a nozzle, which is nice. It has 10 different settings. Then it also has the hardware that you're going to use it to put it together and put it onto your post or your house or wherever you'd like. It comes with a diagram, so it can help you put this on your post or your house. All you have to do is put this up against there, and you can drill your pilot holes in. As you can see, I've already started my holes here, and I just went ahead and grabbed my drill to go ahead and knock this out. I would say the installation for this is very easy. Again, all you have to do is drill pilot holes if you need those, or you can drill just these large lag bolts kind of into your house or even into your post like I'm doing right here. I really like this area because this way I'm able to get a hose all the way to the backyard, and if I absolutely need to, I could even put it down in the front yard as well. Then once you have it mounted, all you're going to have to do is grab the real hose itself and put it into the little bracket there. Now it is set and ready to go. It is on there pretty snug, so it's really nice. As you can see, it swivels really nicely, so you're going to be able to move this around. It's not going to have to stay in one spot, but you can move it around, and it's going to come to the direction that you're actually facing, which is nice. So that way it's going to give you a little bit of extra space as well. Then all you'll have to do is plug in the hose to the spigot and you're ready to go. I like that the bracket is pretty heavy duty and all the parts itself seem really nice and sturdy. Another feature I like about this is actually when you want to pull this out, all you do is pull it and then it will go back in, which is really nice. So once you kind of just pull it a little bit, it will actually go back in, and then all you have to do is keep it hooked up here, which is really clean, saves you a lot of space, and that way you're not having to pick up hoses or even reel hoses back when you're done with whatever you're trying to water. And it's also really nice if you have young kids like myself and they're not able to reel it all back in. This way all they have to do is pull it a little bit and it will go back into the hose itself. It does have this little wheel stop here on the end, which is nice. So if you want to adjust that, you can. If you want to make it a little bit longer or shorter, all you have to do is just pop that open and you can adjust it. So whatever you might need, if you need it to be a little bit longer, you can do that as well. And like I mentioned earlier, this is super easy now for us when the kids have to feed the chickens or water the grass, whatever it might be, they're able to do this themselves. So guys, here is the Amazon listing for this. As you can see, it has all of the features here. It is pretty nice. I mean, 109 bucks, not too bad. You do get a 15% coupon at the time of this video, so you can always check on those coupons to see there. But a couple other features just want to point out. You see the auto rewinding like I was talking about. Has the lock length as well, so you can always check those out. 65 foot, so again you get this garden hose with it, which is really nice. Like I was pointing out, there's no mess. You don't have to tidy anything up or anything because it's all in there as well, so that's really nice. Also comes with this nozzle right here as well, so you can see it using it right there. Bunch of different features. You got all these types of deals right here with the nozzle, or if you just want to use your favorite nozzle, you can do that as well. But I really think this is a great option. Again, I think it's really cool, super clean and nice. Definitely going to make your yard look better. And you see all these other options. My kids can use these, which is super easy, and you're not going to have garden hoses kind of all over the place. It'll roll back up. So definitely something I've been interested, super excited about using this. And if you're interested, I'll have a link down below. You can check those out. But thanks so much for watching. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.